Good morning students. Today we will discuss on grammar topic noun. Noun has two basic kinds. One is countable and second is uncountable. First one is countable noun. Countable noun refers to nouns that can be counted. They can be both singular and plural. जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं वो काउंटेबल नाउन होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई सन्स आर प्लेइंग विद आर डॉग. हियर वी कैन काउंट सन्स एंड डॉग ऑल्सो. वी कैन आस्क क्वेश्चन विद हाउ मैनी स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर इन दिस क्लास. इन रिप्लाई वी कैन से yes, there are 35 students in this class. So we come to know about students. 35 students are here. Second one is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun refers to nouns that cannot be counted, जिनको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. For example, tea is a popular drink in India. Here tea is uncountable noun. We can ask to know uncountable nouns with how much milk you can take. In reply we can say yes, I can take a glass of milk. Next is gender of noun. What is the definition of gender? Gender, either of the two, male or female, especially when considered with reference to social and cultural differences rather than biological ones. There are four kinds of gender. First one is masculine gender, second feminine gender, third common gender, and fourth neuter gender. So first of all we will discuss on masculine gender. A noun is said to be in the masculine gender if it refers to a male character or male member of a species. जिससे हमें किसी पुरुष जाति का पता चलता है, that is masculine gender. Boy, hero, bull, horse, dog, these all are masculine gender. For example, a boy is playing in the playground. Here boy belongs to masculine gender. Second is feminine gender. A noun is said to be in the feminine gender if it refers to a female member of a species. जिससे हमें किसी स्त्री जाति का पता चलता है, that is feminine gender. Means girl, heroine, cow. For example, a girl is playing in the playground. Here girl is feminine gender. Third one is common gender. A noun is said to be in common gender if it refers to a member of species which can be a male or a female. Doctor, teacher. For example, a child is playing in the playground. Here we can't consider child is male or female, so it is in common gender. Fourth one is neuter gender. A noun is said to be in the neuter gender if it refers to a member of a species which is neither a male nor a female. Normally nouns referring to lifeless objects are neuter nouns. Book, chalk, bench, computer, these all are neuter gender. These all are lifeless. For example, computer has brought out drastic changes in our lives. Here computer is neuter gender. So I think it's clear about gender.